Welcome to this 5-minute mindfulness session. Make sure that you're sitting somewhere where you can be comfortable. And if it's comfortable and safe to do so, close your eyes. As you sit comfortably in a quiet place, become aware of your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Not trying to manipulate your breath in any way, but just being aware of the fact that you are breathing. And you might become aware that you are breathing because you're feeling the air moving in and out of your nostrils as you breathe. The cool air as you inhale, and the warm air as you exhale. Maybe also becoming aware of your breath as your belly expands as you inhale and as it contracts and releases as you exhale. Either way, become aware of your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. If your mind starts to wander as you're breathing, just gently bring your thoughts back to the feel of the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Fully give your attention to each in-breath and each out-breath as they follow one after another, moment by moment. Not trying to go anywhere or do anything. Just be present right now, moment by moment, aware of your breathing. If you find that your mind has wandered off the breath, just be aware of it as soon as you can, and gently bring your mind back to the present moment. And when you are ready, you can come back into the room and slowly open your eyes.